friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do garlic bread, and this is a very favorite chat of mine and every child likes it. We need to make this, we need to put a spoon of butter, herbs, then chili flakes, and then a tablespoon of salt, and then some garlic, that is paste of garlic. And we need to put some pepper and then mix it well. This is a very easy chaat. We can make it with only 6 to 7 ingredients in home only. We need to just bring some bread. Now we need to take some bread slices and cut the two sides. And now we can cut them into pieces. Now we need to spread the paste. Now we need to place the garlic breads that we have done on the tawa. Now we need to turn them and fry them on both the sides. Now we need to get the smooth texture. It is ready.